मेरी जनरेशन के लोगों के अंदर भी बहुत सारी सोच थी, लेकिन वो हिम्मत और वो हौसला नहीं था कि उसको लिख लिया जाए. What Rabab has done and Rabab is going to do in future, I'm pretty sure she's going to be an inspiration for not only this generation that she belongs to, but shayad meri generation ke liye bhi ek inspiration ho. Before I call our chief guest for this evening, I would call the star of the evening, Sayyida Rabab Ali, कि वो यहाँ आए and she shares her thoughts, she shares her feelings, and I'm sure she's going to definitely comment on the support that she got from her parents as well. So let's give her a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good evening, and a very warm welcome to you all. I'd like to thank everyone for being here today, despite it being a working day. It's truly an honor to be among such notable people. I never really considered writing a book, to be honest. The couple times I did, I imagined myself older and topic to be, stereotypically cooler or more philosophical, you could say. But when I travel in Pakistan and I see disparities in living standards that at times vary so much that some places don't even have basic facilities. Seeing this and witnessing many other things in society, I had thoughts like, why is this happening, or how these things can be avoided. Although the first solution to these thoughts was equal distribution of resources, after further research and second thoughts, I came across equity. When I understood the concept of equity, I felt the need that more people should know about it. So I discussed this with my mother, and her solution or her answer was that I should write about it. Not just write, but write a book. So that's what I did. I gave it a shot, and one thing led to another, and here I am today. We often hear about equality, so we understand this concept well. But equity is a comparatively much more underrated topic, in my opinion. Unfortunately, it's as important as it is underrated. I find the concept of equity tremendously important, which is why I want to spread awareness about it, about the issues in Pakistan, and the necessary steps to ensure an adequate living standard for every Pakistani through this book. Social equity can be a difficult term to define, as it has been for ages. A reason for this is because equity cannot have a standard parameter in every aspect of life. So I try to explain the concept and touch upon some important topics in relevance to different aspects of equity. A topic I find of utmost importance these days especially is the prevailing inequity and inequality towards women in society. About this, I would like to say that men and women are created differently. They have a different biology, they have different reactions, so they need to be treated differently. I feel that it is essential to understand their differences in order for each of them to prosper. Since they cannot be judged on the same basis in a lot of areas, which is why their differences need to be taken into account. And this is what equity does. Now, there are calls for equity in other areas of life as well, which I have discussed in the book generally and in specific to Pakistan. The most important reason to write this book was that I wanted to make a change, no matter how small, even if one more person can be aware, that would really feel satisfying. I feel like I've taken much of your time. Since this book is really close to my heart, I can speak about it for days on end. But I will conclude it here with a big thanks to my parents. Thank you so much for supporting me through all this. This could not have been possible without you at all. Mom, thank you for always pushing me to do my best. And I apologize for my occasional laziness. And Dad, thank you for your instant dad jokes. Thank you so much for your humor. I'd like to thank my aunt for always being available and her great advice. I'd like to thank the guests present here today. Again, please, I cannot believe that I'm in the presence of all of you. It's truly an honor. I would also like to say a couple of words for my grandfather who passed last week on Friday. I regret a lot of things in regards to him because I couldn't tell him that I had written this book. But I feel like he would have been very happy. Anyhow, it's a roller coaster. It's been a roller coaster. There's been a lot of ups and downs along the way, but I'm glad that I can stand here today in front of all of you and present this book and publish this book to the world. I don't know if I'll write another book. I don't know what it'll be about, but I hope I can keep writing in one way or another. Thank you so much for being here today.